The Access Micro Scholarship English program is part of the educational intervention of the Urban Renewal Project started by Aga Khan Development Network. And in this, what we do is we are teaching the basic English speaking skills to our children. We are focusing on the adolescents, age group 14 to 16 years old. Because we felt that generally most of the children are going to the neighboring government schools, and the focus there is not really on teaching them the English speaking language. It's an English as a subject for them, and they really come out not knowing too much about English. And we have realized that if they want to grow and they want to achieve something in life, English is an important aspect they need to master. So we are focusing that they basically are able to read, write, speak and listen in English. The whole program is for about 360 hours and it is done over 2 years. And we take each batch consists of 100 students. Now the second and the third batch are on, and about 100 students in each year we are completing. We do an entrance test and we see who are the children who need it and who are capable of learning English. The potential should be there because we've realized that they don't have any inputs at home. So children who have some kind of potential, we take them and we see a marked difference from the first day to the end when they come out after 2 years. We also have a lot of enhancement activities for the children, and which include exposure visits. Then we do a lot of teaching of extra skills, like we've done puppetry, theatre, creative writing, public speaking. We had a fantastic program, which is the Youth Leadership Program. This was an initiative taken by the Toastmasters in collaboration with us and the American Center. Then we also have a 30-hour summer intensive program, which we do for the children. It's over 6 days. And there the children, in a focused way in groups, learn creative writing, singing, and all the activities are in English. That's always our focus. We focus a lot on the multimedia also, and within our class timings we show them movies, we show them multimedia clips about what's happening in the world, what's happening in India, so they get an all-round sort of knowledge about India and the world. One very important component of our program is that we celebrate all the festivals that are celebrated in India, irrespective of the religion, and we also do the 3-4 important American festivals. Since we would like to educate them, as a parallel we teach them about the culture of America, and therefore we do 4th of July, Independence Day, we do Thanksgiving, we do Halloween. 2 of our students recently have gone for the Benjamin Franklin Scholarship. They went for a month. So it was an excellent learning experience, and it was very good for the children in the Access program because they felt that was something aspirational, that's something they can look forward to. So when they learn about America and they talk about it, and when they visit the American Center and meet some of the dignitaries who come there, it's good because they at least have some knowledge about the country. We have the ELTs, who are the English language teachers. They are from the community, they are from the Basti, and they have, in these 3 years, they have really honed their skills and they have come up in a big way, and they take classes, they contribute in planning the worksheets, planning the modules, and doing other activities for the children. Another important thing that we focus on is the basic etiquette and values that we want to inculcate in the children. And on a daily basis we have focused on the classroom language and the basic etiquette that they need to follow when they are in the classroom with the students and with their teachers. So we have put up a lot of visual aids in the class, which is a constant reinforcement, as you can see that. So what are the things that they need to follow on a daily basis, and we keep them as visual reinforcements in the class.